I'll show you how to replace a battery on the 2021 Toyota Corolla key. And this is one that goes like that. So you just flip it over to the back, get you a little flat tip screwdriver, and then right up in here, just kind of pry that up, twist it or pop it up just like that. Kind of comes up a little, and then you can work it loose. Opens like that. And when you put it back on, you put this end over here, put that in first, and then push it down. Okay, right here it gives you a little diagram on which way the battery goes. And this little guy, little rubber seal, just pull that off. There's your battery. And it's the CR2032 3-volt battery. And to get it out of there, you can see there's a little groove right there. Oh, there it goes. And then there it is. Then when you put the new one back in, kind of put that in, this end up here in first, and just push it over. Slides right in there. Put your rubber on there. And then the little lid. Remember, put this end in first, and then just snap her down. That's it. You're good to go.